Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you to do this homemade charcoal mask using only 3 simple ingredients. Guys, when you get into the store, then you want that charcoal mask, that expensive charcoal mask. Guys, are so expensive. So now let me show you how I do this, this mask. It's very convenient because it's scrubbing to clean your facial, the dirt, this last month makeup that you've done. Yes guys, sometimes you can think that you removed your makeup using your makeup cleanser. Actually you did not, because it's the pores sucks all the products that you put on your face. That's why at some point we have some sort of breakouts. You don't know what's going on with your skin. Why my skin is so bad today? What is happening with my skin? Much energy. You don't put that too much energy on your skin. Yes, I'm not perfect. Sometimes I'd be lazy taking care of my skin, but it's very important once in a while do this mask, because it's removes all the dirt. You see, let me not waste your time. Let's get into it. Shapa. The only ingredients that you're gonna need are 3, which is your very chip activated charcoal. So this activated charcoal, it's very chip. And secondly, you're gonna need your gelatin, and the last ingredients is your milk. Make sure your milk is hot. And lastly, you gotta have your brush to apply this mask. Let's get into this mixture. Right, so let me start with my gelatin. So let's use the remaining one. And then next we put our activated charcoal. Guys, this charcoal is very cheap. Guys, it's very cheap, and it will last you long. So I have to put a small amount. Yeah, I think this is enough. Right, mix everything together. Right, so now you're gonna put your hot milk. So now guys, I have to go and put this milk in the microwave so that it's gonna be hot. So you must make sure your milk is hot. So now my milk starts to cool off. Now I have to go and heat it, and then I will come back just now. I'm back. You have to heat this milk for about 30 seconds in your microwave to make it hot like this, so that's this mixture. So guys, heating your milk, it helps by allowing your gelatin to melt very easily, because if your milk is not it's not hot enough, it's gonna be hard for you to make this paste, because your gelatin will not melt the way it should be. So you have to mix this paste very nice, and the consistency, this is the consistency that it should be. This is the consistency that you want. Now everything is well mixed. I think now we should apply this mask, right? You see, now it's smooth. Yeah. That's how you do your charcoal using activated charcoal, using your charcoal mask. Okay, this is how you do it. Firstly, you have to place your hot towel, or warm, not hot, not too hot, but I have to dip your towel into like hot water, and then you have to place it on your face to open up the pores. Okay. And then when you are done, you apply your charcoal mask. Okay. So guys, this mask is going to remove all your unwanted hair, or your facial hair, and also it's going to clean your pores, removing the blackheads and whiteheads. So yeah, it's a very like great mask for cleaning the pores. And also guys, you have to avoid your hairline when applying this mask. Avoid your hairline, your eyebrows. See, okay. And guys, when you're applying this mask, you have to be very, very quick. It dries out so quickly, so you have to be very, very fast. Let me wait for like a couple of minutes, 30 minutes to 45 minutes, for this mask to dry out, and then I have to remove it. Hi guys, I'm back. Now it is time for the beautiful paint. Now it is time to remove it. I can't even talk properly, guys. Oh my god. Guys, that's what's for today's video. Guys, is it like, did you see this video? Guys, look at my skin. Guys, look at my skin. Like this mask was so painful. This is the only mask that was so painful I've ever like. But look at my skin. The remaining mask, like you can wipe it off using the wet towel. Remove the excess using your wet towel. I almost cried. I almost cried. But I'm glad I didn't. It's my facial cream. This is what I got on my skin. I don't know if you can like notice this whitish. I think this is a blackheads. I think these are blackheads. You see? On my nose. This is what I got. I think these are blackheads. You can see how amazing my skin it looks. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment, guys. I love reading your comments. Please make sure you comment down below. And yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye.